Are there advantages to selling your home yourself as opposed to hiring a real estate agent? Is it yes or is it no? I'm going to start with yes. Big advantage of selling a home your own is you will experience hair loss from stress, weight loss, and a little bit of loss in your wallet from leaving money on the table. So yes, please try selling your home on your own. All kidding aside, listen, if you get lucky, you hit it right, you find the right buyer, and you maximize the price, and you don't pay anybody any commissions, could you end up with a little bit more money? That possibility exists. Now, does it potentially expose you to other issues of doing paperwork wrong, screwing up the deal, putting yourself in a legal binding situation, and really misexposing the property to the best buyer that's in the marketplace? Possibly. The bottom line is, yes, you can maybe find a good reason why it would benefit you because you think you're saving money. But I do say, look on the other side. In the end, are you really saving anything? Or did you lose out on that one buyer who would have paid enough and make it all worthwhile to have a great agent on your side to represent you and protect you? Hey, thanks for watching. And if you're curious how to maximize the sales price on your property, you can also go to edsellmyhomefast.com. That's edsellmyhomefast.com.